In this video, I will be showing you how to change Google Documents from English to Spanish, or how to change the language of Google Documents. So for example, you can see I have a doc right here. All I'll need to do if I would like to change it to Spanish or any other language is simply go over to the top navigation bar in the top left hand corner right here. Once on the navigation bar, all you'll need to do now, you're going to simply tap right where you see tools. After you have selected tools, you're going to tap on translate document. After tapping on translate document, from here you can change the document name. So for example, I'll change it to Spanish doc. So I'm going to do that real quick. Then you can tap on the search bar right here and you can choose your language. So I'll be choosing Spanish. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to be selecting Spanish for this example. Then you'll tap on translate. After you have tapped on translate, you can see right here that the document has now been translated to Spanish. And you can also see that it has been saved, as you can see right there. So not only do I have the English version, but I also have the Spanish version, as you can see right there. And if I would like to change it to another language, I can do that. So all I'll need to do is simply tap on tools once more, then tap on translate document. Then from there you can tap here and you can choose the language that you would like to translate it to. Then tap on translate once more. After you have done that, you can see that the document language has changed. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.